We've just come from Bran Castle and we've wound up here in the old town in Brasov. We're headed to a Christmas market. Come walk along with us. This town is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, just driving in when we came off the highway. It was incredible. You just feel like you just came back in time. Suddenly this is the walking street, but when we were driving through the town, you suddenly see all these old historical buildings. They all have these colors, kind of pastel colors, green, pink, blue, yellow. Yeah, super cool vibes. It's unlike anything I've seen, to be honest. I've never been to a town like this. I guess I need to explore more of Europe, but Brasov definitely has its own vibe. So we saw the Christmas market in Bucharest. Now we're gonna go see what this one's like.
What is the champion? Bucharest or
That one in Bucharest is hard to beat. That's a really nice market. Actually, we have to go back there. Let's go again when we go back to Bucharest.
for me? Maybe the best is Bucharest.
Yeah, but let's see. Let's see. So far, for me, this old town is better than the Bucharest old town. Here is, yeah, wow. Especially after seeing the castles here and getting a feel for the countryside, the mountains, the snow. Yeah, Brasov has won me over so far. There were lots of tourists at Bran Castle, but not seeing too many here, which is nice. I mean, it's obviously very crowded and touristy, but everyone here are locals. You know what? I think we're coming up on the Christmas market. Look at the crowds. All of the people. Keep calm and eat waffles. No, but I know you do.
Okay.
Crepes I like, but no one is a bigger fan of crepes and waffles than you. No, but she controls herself very well. Once in a while. Sometimes. I see a Starbucks up there in the distance.
Matcha. Alright.
Her new favorite thing, I introduced her to the matcha latte. With no lactose milk. Yeah, she's a fan. Oh, we found it. We found it. Ah, beautiful. Oh, I guess it's like Bucharest. We have to wait and the lights will come on at like 5 o'clock. A little bit later. Oh, beautiful. Where do we start? You lead the way.
This way.
You're the guide.
Delicious. A similar.
What is it? Like cake? Oh, like what we have in the car.
Como en
Like
Colombia
fudge.
es
Yeah, yeah.
turrón.
I think it's like fudge or toffee. It's like caramel. Caramelo.
Ăsta nu știu, că mi-a lăsat, adică înainte să mâncăm, cam să mâncăm cu ei și dau eu. Și eu zic că să nu știu.
No, I'm in love with this town. It's so nice.
Cinco to go.
5 to go.
Or 5 to go.
Let's go see the church and then we can come back. Maybe the lights will be on. I don't know what that is. Do you think we can go inside? Like in Serbia? That would be cool. Let's go to the front. Let's do this thing. No, let's do this thing, or let's brew this thing. No, maybe next time we need to like book our Airbnb in a city like this, like a second city, not the biggest city. Like the guy in the airport at immigration said, no, the best things are not in Bucharest, in immigration and the airport. You have to go outside of Bucharest. Okay, so you can enter, but you have to buy tickets. Okay, well, we can check it out from the outside for now. What is this ticket? We'll check it out from the outside for now, and maybe tomorrow we come back and we wander around the city when we have more time. I love the clock.
Watch.
Watch is on your hand. Clock is on the wall or on a building. Watch is on your hand. No, her English is getting much better.
Thank you.
No, when we first met, she knew like nothing in English, and now the best part of Europe is the people here are obviously speaking their second language or third language when we go into cafes or stores. So I get her to speak to the people because it's more comfortable. She's speaking her second language, they're speaking their second language. And it's a great way to practice. I think it's more for me too, like when I was living in Korea, for example, or in Colombia, you have more pressure when you're speaking with a native speaker. It's just how it is, but it's less pressure when you're speaking with someone else who's doing the same thing as you. Just speaking imperfect, speaking a second language. Mamá va a decir, tu moquito. Es muy frío. Okay, let's go back to the Christmas market. We'll take a little walk around and then maybe indulge in a mulled wine. Might mull that over for a bit, but mulled wine. Or hot chocolate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe one of each. I don't know.
It's better hot water.
So first, actually the tree here is better than in Bucharest. Here is better. It has more bulbs. The Bucharest tree was bigger, taller. But they didn't have the decorations like here. Here they have the snowflakes. The tree definitely wins here. And you have to have the carousel. In Bucharest also.
All people is waiting.
Yeah, waiting. Waiting for the tree. The lights to come on. Yeah, it seems to be like a local gathering spot. Perfect to pick up some local vibes. Everyone here just hanging out. There's Santa Claus just chilling. Oh, that's a good Santa. He's very realistic.
Yeah.
Wow. You want to go to the Dracula restaurant? All right. What do they serve? Hot blood or... Oh, here we go. Hot mulled wine. No, in Hungary for Christmas we need to find an apple pie. Apple pie.
Cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon rolls. Yeah, so there we have it. This is the Christmas market here in Brasov. We're gonna hang around a bit, maybe grab a drink, hot drink of some kind, and wait for the Christmas lights to come on a bit later.
Peace.
Okay, we just grabbed a hot drink, came back outside, and all the lights are on. So we're gonna take another walk around, another lap, because it's a completely different vibe right now.
In another round.
Yeah, I guess the camera shows it. Hard to see, but yeah, this tree definitely wins. I love Christmas markets. I didn't realize that before, but Cusco, and then Bucharest, and then here. Cusco last year. No, they didn't, but just the vibes there were cool because it's like this little town, and then they had all these like cabin styles or people selling stuff. It was cool to see in Lima, or sorry, in Peru. No, but here is, as you like to say, espectacular.
Spectacular.
Five to go. That's for sure. Oh, this whole street that we walked in on too is all lit up. Wow. When we walk back to the car, we'll have to film here, this whole street. Yeah, wow. Now it feels like Christmas. Now it feels like Christmas. Do you feel like when you're in the cold weather, everybody has clothes like this? It feels more like Christmas?
It's real Christmas.
Yeah. When I'm in Medellin or somewhere where there's no snow and it's just warm, it doesn't feel the same. This, for me, is like Christmas. That was a perfect way to finish up the day. Christmas vibes, hot chocolate, mulled wine, everything you could want. We're gonna take a walk down the walking street, go home and rest, warm up, see what adventures are in store tomorrow.